Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss the problem power of 2. So let's understand what is the problem. Given an integer n, return true if it is the power of 2, otherwise false. An integer n is power of 2 if exists an integer x such that n equal to 2 raised to x. Suppose example 1, input n equal to 1, so we return 2 because 2 raised to 0, or we can say that 3 raised to 0, 4 raised to 0, and any of the number power of the 0 is equal to always 1. And here second example, n equal to 16, so we simply return true because 2 power of 4 is equal to 16. And example 3, n equal to 3, so we can say that it is false because there is no similar kind of pattern. So let's understand the approach to solve this question. We can solve this question by using the recursion. So how can we implement in this question? So we simply apply the base condition. So what is our base condition? If n is less than equal to 0, then we simply return false. Then we check if n equal to 1. If it is true, then we simply return true. Again we check if n modulo division 2 is not equal to 0. If it is true, so we simply say that return false. And we simply return is power of 2 n by 2. We trim down the number here and we call recursively. So this is the code for check the number is power of 2 or not. So we quickly dry run this code. Suppose n equal to 1. 1 is less than equal to 0? No. 1 equal to 1? Yes, it is true. So we simply return true. We check another example. If n equal to 16. So we check here. 16 is less than equal to 0? No. So we cannot execute this line. We again check n equal 16 equal to 1? No. So we cannot execute this line. And again we check 16 modulo 2 is not equal to 0? No. Because 16 modulo 2 is equal to 0. So we cannot execute this line. And again we call recursion return is power to n by 2. N by 2 it means 16 by 2. So now the value of n is 8. So we again check 8 is less than equal to 0? No. So we cannot execute this line. 8 is equal to 1? No. So we cannot execute this line. N modulo division 2 is not equal to 0? No. Because n modulo 2 is equal to 0. So we cannot execute this line. And again we call the recursion and simply call the function for 8 by 2. And 8 by 2 is simply 4. We check here. 4 is less than equal to 0? No. So we simply not execute this line. 4 is equal to 1? No. So we cannot execute this line. 4 modulo division 2 is not equal to 0? No. So we cannot execute this outline. And again we call recursion for 4 by 2. And 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So n become 2. We again check 2 is less than equal to 0? No. So we cannot execute this line. 2 is equal to 1? No. We cannot execute this line. 2 modulo division 2 is not equal to 0? No, because 2 modulo 2 is equal to 0. So we cannot execute this line. And now we call the recursion for 2 by 2, and 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So the value of n is become 1. Here we again check the condition, and 1 is less than equal to 0? No. 1 is equal to 1? Yes, it is true. So we simply return true. Now we again check for 3. If n equal to 3, so we simply check n is 3 is less than equal to 0? No. 3 is equal to 1? No. So we cannot execute this line. We check 3 modulo division 2 is not equal to 0? Yes, it is true, because 3 modulo division 2 is equal to 1 and it is not equal to 0. So we simply return false. So I hope you understand the code for this particular problem. Now let's go on the problem. So we will compile and run this code. Use all the sample test cases and submit. Now it's submit successfully, and you can observe this code is faster than 100% of the C++ online submission of Power of 2. So our code is most optimized. Thank you.